Awesome.
I just need you to get real loose.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Name and what you got real quick first with the bass sound. Ready?
Yeah, so Instagram is Dre_bass. Was that playing?
Yeah.
Instagram is Dre_bass. 4 BTL 415s, 4 MD8Ks, C-Max 95 amp hour, 370 single alternator, charging at 15.8. So yeah, that's about it.
Right.
DSP, no head unit at all in here.
Nope. What are you peaking at? Your tuning?
I peak at right about 36 hertz.
Okay.
That's why my loud.
All right. Awesome. Getting louder with this. I'm just curious because most people demo with the windows down with seats. Is it just louder? Do you like demo in this way or?
Yeah, so I'm loudest with driver door open.
Really?
On this side. Yeah. So this side is real painful. That side is windy.
Windy. Got it. Just curious. Go check out the back.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Dre's system. He was showcasing at the Team Deadly Hertz show in Virginia of 2021 TDH show. Really impressive to see him fit this much power and subwoofer cone area in a Volkswagen. This was the thumbnail of his previous video I posted about a year ago. Recommend you checking that link out in the description after this video. This is actually the shot of the wall and how it looks with us not in there. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like. He did a really good job showcasing it at the show, and it's pretty impressive to see how much power he can fit inside of this Volkswagen. So comment, let him know what you think about his system. I like the way he has his amplifier layout. Of course, it isn't the cleanest install, but being able to optimize his space, fitting 4 8,000 watt amplifiers, one per sub, to be able to optimize his power. And he's probably ran at 1 ohm, so he keeps the signal clean and he doesn't have to turn it up full tilt unless he's burping for SPL score. And if you notice, he has a center port, so all the cabin pressure can centralize between both sides. And he was telling us that he demos louder with the door closed on one end. I could tell during the demo that the pressure is actually really solid to where I could feel my shirt trying to float off, and does solid hair tricks. And if you notice, he took out his headrest on his seat. That's a really good thing to do because you don't want to have the headrest hit into the cone when the sub's flexing. And also, having a wall like this, you have to worry about if the seats are going to hit the cone as it's flexing. So you always got to be cautious if you have a system where you have a wall where you don't want the seats to hit on the sub. This is the total of 32,000 watts on 4 15-inch subs. We're getting to the cardio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing with that notification bell on for daily videos coming your way every day. And enjoy this impressive Volkswagen bass demo from Dre. Did a really good job.
I'm ready.
Fuck you and you and you. I ain't your friends and made me too. I'm through. This that hot girl Bummer anthem. Turn it up and throw attention. This that
Someone
Someone random, this that's from when it's Thursday night. She be too thick in my go stupid this and I'm superhuman for you and you, your friends and me. I go wanna hit and turn it up and throw attention, fuck. Someone random, this that's when it's Thursday night. You be too thick in my go stupid this throw attention, fuck. Someone random, this that's from when it's Thursday night. She be too thick in my go stupid this and I'm superhuman for you and your friends.